On a sunny afternoon, 5 friends, Maya, Lily, Sophia, Emma, and Jake, gather in their favorite park, hoping to unwind and enjoy each other's company. However, beneath the surface, one friend is struggling with a taxing issue that threatens to overshadow their fun. As the friends relax and chat on the park benches, Emma's frustration becomes apparent. Her taxation assignment, particularly the balance sheet problem, has been causing her considerable stress.
Emma, you've been quiet. What's wrong?
I can figure out my balance sheet for my taxation assignment, and it's really overwhelming. I can't make any progress.
Sounds really dope. Do you want to talk it through with us?
Maybe we can help. We might not be experts, but 2 heads are better than 1.
I'm not great with taxes, but I can help brainstorm or look things up if needed, if you want.
Emma hesitates, feeling unsure if her friends can really help, but the concern and willingness of her friends make her consider their offer.
Are you sure? I don't want to waste your time.
Of course we're sure. We're here for you. Let's tackle this together.
The friends gathered around Emma on the benches and begin working on the assignment. They each contribute their ideas and research, helping Emma break down the problem into manageable parts. As the day transitions into evening, the friends have made significant progress on Emma's assignment. The collective effort and support have turned her frustration into a manageable task.
I can't believe how much clearer this is for me now. Thank you all for all your help. I couldn't have done it without you guys.
We're glad to help. It was a team effort, and we got to play together.
It's a great team effort. Sometimes, just having a different perspective can make all the difference.
It is nice to know that we can rely on each other to support each other.
With the assignment nearly completed, the friends take a moment to enjoy the park once again. The early tension has transformed into a shared sense of accomplishment and camaraderie.
Today was a reminder of us how important to help each other out. It's not about being a problem solved, but about being there for one to another.
Thank you guys for making this so much easier. You guys meant the world to me.
The friends leave the park with renewed spirits and a deeper appreciation for each other. They understand that true happiness and success come from mutual support and sacrifice. The day's challenges have brought the friends closer together. They depart the park with a strengthened bond, knowing that their willingness to help each other through difficulties is what truly makes them happy. In the end, it's not just the solved problems that matter, but the shared moments of support and understanding.
In the end, it wasn't just about the journey of self-confidence or healthier habits, but the unbreakable bonds that were formed along the way. As we close this chapter, we carry with us the strength and unity that will guide us through whatever challenges may come. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. We hope it has inspired you as much as it has enriched us.
Not all right now.